It has officially begun, and most people don't even realize it. The biggest wealth shift of our lifetime is already in motion, and over the next 5 years, more financial change will happen than in the last 15 combined. New industries are rising, old systems are weakening, technology is accelerating, and money is quietly moving from the uninformed to the prepared. The uncomfortable truth is this: you likely have a 5-year window to position yourself before the gap between the wealthy and the average becomes dramatically wider. Every major wealth cycle in history followed a similar pattern. There is disruption, uncertainty, volatility, fear in the headlines, and confusion among the majority. But behind the scenes, innovation explodes. New leaders emerge, and assets that look risky become unstoppable. In 2000, it was the internet boom. In 2008, it was the collapse that created generational buying opportunities. Hey guys, welcome to Cashcraft Finance. I'm give you more successful information in 10 minutes and stay more information. In 2020, it was the pandemic reset. That accelerated digital transformation by a decade. And now, we are entering a new era driven by artificial intelligence, automation, energy transitions, digital finance, geopolitical realignment, and commodity supercycles. This is not just another normal market cycle. This is a structural shift. Artificial intelligence is replacing repetitive work, increasing productivity, and creating entirely new industries. Companies that adapt will scale faster than ever before, while companies that resist will disappear. At the same time, global debt is at historic highs. Governments are printing and borrowing at levels never seen before, and central banks are walking a tightrope between inflation and recession. That instability creates volatility, and volatility creates opportunity. Gold is rising because trust in paper systems fluctuates. Digital assets are evolving because people want alternatives. Energy and commodities are regaining power because the world still runs on physical resources. Meanwhile, millions of people are distracted by short-term entertainment and emotional headlines. They are waiting for certainty before they act, but certainty never comes before opportunity. The pattern is always the same. Early movers look creative, mid-movers look smart, late movers look desperate. Over the next 5 years, wealth will likely be created in several key areas. Artificial intelligence and automation tools will generate billion-dollar companies at record speed. Energy innovation and traditional commodities will benefit from supply constraints and global demand shifts. Digital finance and blockchain systems will continue integrating into mainstream infrastructure. Online education, content creation, and personal brands will allow individuals to build global audiences without traditional gatekeepers. High-income digital skills such as AI integration, marketing strategy, code, data analysis, cybersecurity, and financial literacy will command premium income. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but competition for attention has never been higher. That means focus becomes your greatest asset. Most people will miss this 5-year window, not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack urgency, and they underestimate compounding. They delay investing. They consume more than they create. They wait for motivation instead of building discipline. Meanwhile, smart money studies trends, positions early, diversifies intelligently, and compounds patiently. If you truly treat the next 5 years as decisive, your strategy must be intentional. Year 1 should be about skill acquisition and mindset transformation. Learn something valuable that increases your income potential. In a digital and AI-driven economy, master communication, sales, or technology, because income growth fuels investment power. Year 2 should focus on aggressive income expansion. Cut unnecessary expenses, avoid lifestyle inflation, and build capital. Capital is fuel without fuel. You cannot invest meaningfully. Year 3 should emphasize strategic investing. Diversify across growth assets, defensive assets like gold or commodities, and possibly emerging technologies. Study risk management Understand cycles. Think long-term. Year 4 should be about scaling what works. If you build a business, optimize it. If you invested, rebalance intelligently. If you develop a personal brand, expand it. Use leverage carefully, whether financial, technological, or social. Year 5 should prioritize protection and compounding. Wealth is not just about earning, but preserving and multiplying. Reduce unnecessary risk exposure. Build emergency reserves and create systems that generate passive or semi-passive income throughout all 5 years. Your greatest advantage will be adaptability. The world is moving faster. Information spreads instantly. Markets react immediately. Skills become outdated quickly. Continuous learning is no longer optional. It is survival. Another factor to understand is demographics. Trillions of dollars are transferring from older generations to younger ones. Institutional capital is real, equating toward innovation and digital infrastructure. Governments are investing in strategic industries. When large pools of capital move, they create powerful tailwinds. If you align with those tailwinds, progress accelerates. If you fight them, progress stalls. Fear will dominate headlines during this period. You will hear about recessions, inflation spikes, geopolitical tensions, market crashes, and political instability. But fear is often the environment where discipline, wealth builders thrive. History consistently shows that those who invest during uncertainty outperform those who wait for clarity. The key difference between those who build wealth and those who struggle is not luck. It is positioning. Positioning means developing skills before they are mainstream, investing before assets are obvious, building before platforms are saturated, saving before crisis hit. The next 5 years will reward clarity, patience, and calculated risk-taking. They will punish complacency, overconfidence, and emotional decision-making. You do not need to become a billionaire. You need to become strategic, even modest. Consistent investing, combined with increasing income and disciplined reinvestment, can dramatically change your financial trajectory. Within half a decade, compounding is quiet at first, but explosive over time. The earlier you start, the stronger the effect. Understand also that wealth is multidimensional. Financial capital matters, but so does intellectual capital, social capital, and reputational capital. Build networks, collaborate, provide value. Reputation in the digital age scales faster than ever. 5 years may sound short, but in technological cycles, it is massive. Entire industries can rise and mature within that time frame. If you spend those 5 years improving instead of hesitating, learning instead of doubting, building instead of consuming, your future self will thank you. If you ignore the shift and assume things will remain the same, the gap may widen beyond comfort. This is not about fear. It is about awareness. It has begun. The acceleration of technology, the restructuring of global finance, the shifting of economic power, and the redefinition of work are all happening simultaneously. The window is open, but it will not stay open forever. The choice is simple, but not easy. Stay passive and hope circumstances improve, or act deliberately and shape your own trajectory. 5 years from now, you will either say, "This was the moment everything changed," because you decided to move, or you will say you saw the signals and did nothing. The opportunity is real, the risks are real, and the responsibility is yours. Act with intelligence. Move with discipline. Think long-term and remember that history does not reward those who wait for perfect conditions. It rewards those who prepare during imperfect ones. It has begun, and the next 5 years could define the rest of your financial life. And guys, thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. See you next time with Cashcraft Finance.